Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mul-T in Risk of Rain 2. Mul-T is a robust survivor known for his adaptability. He uniquely carries two equipment items and can quickly switch between two distinct primary weapons. With a base armor of 20, he's one of the toughest characters, allowing him to withstand significant damage. This makes him excellent for both aggressive pushes and strategic retreats, adapting to any challenge you face. Mul-T's primary weapons define his combat style. The Rabar Puncher delivers powerful, piercing shots, ideal for taking down distant threats or elites. Conversely, the Auto Nail Gun unleashes a torrent of projectiles, perfect for shredding groups of enemies up close. His transport mode provides a substantial movement speed increase of 225%, letting you reposition quickly. The retool ability is key, enabling seamless weapon swaps and instant equipment activation. To maximize Mul-T's potential, prioritize specific item synergies. For the Auto Nail Gun, items increasing attack speed, such as Soldier's Syringe, are incredibly effective. When using the Rabar Puncher, critical strike chance items like Lensmaker's Glasses significantly boost your burst damage. On-hit effects like the Tri-Tip Dagger or Ukulele pair wonderfully with the nail gun's high fire rate. Additionally, movement speed items like Paul's Goat Hoof are crucial for maintaining optimal positioning and dodging attacks. Mastering Mul-T involves dynamic play. Constantly swap between your weapons to adapt to the situation. Use the Rabar Puncher for high-priority targets and the Auto Nail Gun for crowd control. Utilize transport mode not just for speed, but also to knock back enemies and create space. Always prioritize elite enemies with the Rabar Puncher's burst damage. Remember to keep your distance when sniping with the Rabar Puncher, and then confidently close in for devastating close-range attacks with the Auto Nail Gun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.